Hey people, well here's another fan that I've got a few months ago but just now getting around to showing off. This is a 1987 Lakewood P-223 with the original box. As y'all know, I have another Lakewood P-223 from 1987, well actually two. Both those have the full-size cabinet. This is the smaller cabinet with the 6 screws per grill. Most people think these smaller cabinet ones are just 223, but as you can see on the box, it's still a P-223. Not just on the box, but on the model sticker as well. It still says P-223. Of course, some of these will say just 223 on the bottom of the cabinet stamped in. So during that time, they were still called P or K-223. So I'll have an overall look at the box. As you can see, it still has a 2nd gen Lakewood on the front of the box. There's one side. The other side and the back are the same. Yeah, just your typical Lakewood box. There's the top. And also comes with the instruction pamphlet, though this one's pretty much ripped at the top. It has pretty much the same stuff as any other instruction pamphlet. Find a place to put it. Now we'll have a look at the fan itself. Now once again, this is your smaller cabinet Lakewood. I thought, since I had the Kmart brand equivalent, why not have the Lakewood branded version as well? There's one side. And as you can see, the cabinet's seen better days. It's got plenty of... It's pretty scuffed up, as you can see. Here's the other side. The other side's a little bit worse. Here's the back. And once again, just like the Kmart brand one, it's got the motor with the smaller shaft, 3/8 inch, I think. And I can't remember right off the bat, but I think the date on the motor is K87, which stands for October of 1987. Now look at the top. Not as bad on the top as it is on the sides. And there's the speed sticker. Lakewood speed sticker. And now run it. This one seems, the speeds on this seem to be pretty much the same as on all 3 of my full-size 3rd gens. Here's high. Medium. which once again is like nearly silent. Back high. And as always, O-double-F spells off. Spin down time could be better. Anyway, this is my 1987 Lakewood P-223 smaller cabinet with the original box and instruction manual. So, thank you for watching.